Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody did a contour line and they actually used the eraser tool to take out the lines, trying to get them somewhat even. So I've already set my nudge factor on 8 inches, and for the one I'm doing it for, I set your duplicate distance on 0, 0, because that way when you make a duplicate, you can put it right back by nudging with your arrow keys. I don't have to do that, so I'm going to hit P. I'm going to go up to Object, Group, and ungroup this, and I'm just going to get rid of his lines. Now, to contour a black subject, it's always better to have an outline instead of the solid. I think it's a pretty good contour. Then we're going to contour it, so we'll go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour, try to get it close, like 0.3. That's about the same distance off that he has. Now, some of the lines might not be perfect because some of the edges are longer than the other edges. So we're going to kind of fix that. We're going to go to Object, Break Contour Part. I'm actually going to make the contour red so we can see it. I'm going to make it thicker than a hairline, let's say 0.4. That's about the thickness of his. Then I'm going to hit F12 on my keyboard, and I'm going to go right here to the style, and I'm going to try to pick a pretty long one. Now you can see that it's not even, but right here, a line dashes, and pretty much voila. Now, some of them are going to be a little bit longer. I mean, just because the shape, like this one's longer than that one. We could try other ways, but I don't think it's going to be any better than this. If it was a perfect shape, it would work better. Let's just kind of do that. This video has been a little short. Let's make a more of a perfect shape, and let's put one up here. Well, we're actually going to have to go a little higher. I'm going to hold down the control button, and then I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and go to the center. I'm going to rotate this 120 degrees and then rotate it again. Now, if we weld this, we have this shape, but it's perfect. So let's contour, make it, go ahead and Object, break the contour apart. Take that line, make it red. We'll make it that same 4 points. And now we're going to hit F12 on the keyboard, or you can click down here to your pen tool, but I got so used to, and let's pick that same dash line and go right here to align node. Now, every node all the way around should be perfectly the same length and divided equally. You can see that these two match those two, and so on and so on. So on an odd shape, it's just kind of hard to ask Corel to do something. I'm going to try a couple of other things, but right now I think this is about as best as you're going to get. And my lines are good and crisp and sharp ends. And your lines are, because you use the eraser tool, are chopped off. And you can always, take this line, hit F12 on your keyboard, and use, just to give a different look, we could use round end caps. And it's going to give it a total different look because now the end caps are round. Anyway, I hope I understood, and I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.